Taking a look at a Gerber 98-525 repair kit for a single handle kitchen. Has a diverter and clip. And you can see the loop handle there. It has the breakdown of where all the pieces go. Also in the kit is a grease packet to lubricate so that the spout can turn without tearing the O-rings. Large O-ring, small O-ring, slip washers, nylon, and just to give you some ideas here of what kind of sizes we're talking about. And all of it comes together in the kit so that you can rebuild the faucet if it's leaking up around the spout at the top. Generally you'll find it down at the bottom running over into the sink. And that'll do it for the 98-525 single handle kitchen repair kit.